But the ALCHEMA gives you the opportunity to make all kinds of unique things, and you can actually create, like I created a cranberry cider that you could serve with Thanksgiving.
ALCHEMA really helps me focus on creating different flavors.
I made the fig bay leaf cider, and I brought that to Thanksgiving last year, and everyone was like super excited to try it.
We have shared the cider that we've made with our friends, and they've all really enjoyed it. They've all commented how really tasty it was and how they want more.
The biggest difference between using ALCHEMA and using just a homebrew setup for $15, one was drinkable, the other was not.
You know, watching the fermentation process happen on your app, you know, it's all just super easy.
I think it's so easy. It's ridiculously easy. It takes like 5 minutes to put everything in. I think it involves a little effort, but you get a lot out of it.
I would have to say my favorite part is just the flexibility, the customizing, being able to make whatever comes into your mind.
It's great. Get it and enjoy.